Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects so many aspects of our health and well-being: hormone balance. From mood swings to energy levels, our hormones play a crucial role in how we feel day to day. But with our modern lifestyles often throwing them out of whack, finding natural ways to rebalance them is more important than ever. So, in this video, we're going to explore some effective strategies and lifestyle changes you can implement to balance your hormones naturally. Whether you're dealing with hormonal acne, irregular periods, or just want to feel more balanced overall, stick around because we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Balance your hormones. Before we start, I want to take a moment to emphasize just how important it is to subscribe to our channel. Your support means everything to us. By hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications, you not only stay updated with our latest content, but you also play a crucial role in helping us continue to create valuable videos like this one. Your subscription encourages us to keep researching, filming, and sharing helpful insights with you. So, if you enjoy the content we provide and want to see more, please consider subscribing and joining our community. Together, we can make a positive impact on each other's health and well-being. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for your support. How to naturally balance your hormones. Though it's a common health and wellness practice, what exactly does hormone balancing mean? This pattern suggests that people are becoming more conscious of the ways that hormone imbalances can impact mood, energy levels, sleep habits, metabolism, and other areas of health. As a result, there is a surge in supplements that claim that regular use can help people attain hormone balance. Upon conducting a brief Amazon search for hormone balancing supplement, more than 3,000 product listings appear, featuring a variety of substances such as herbal cures and essential vitamins and minerals. There are several purported hormone balancing products available, but the majority lack scientific backing. But there are natural ways to help maintain hormone balance, such as through diet. What is meant by hormone balancing? According to experts, there is no formal definition or method for balancing hormones. Instead, the term practice refers to reaching what is seen as a healthy range of hormone levels. Because females usually undergo major hormonal swings every month, and as they approach the perimenopausal years, women tend to focus more on hormone balance than men do. A qualified dietitian states, "I believe the balance between estrogen and progesterone is what most women mean when they talk about balancing hormones." Progesterone is the main hormone in the second half of a perfect menstrual cycle, while estrogen is the dominating hormone in the first half. This balance can be upset by excessive estrogen, low progesterone, or irregular cycles. This can lead to symptoms like mood swings, bloating, acne, PMS, and premenstrual headaches. Beyond progesterone and estrogen, many other hormones are crucial to your general health. How to promote hormone health? Hormone balance can be achieved in part by taking supplements. However, an unhealthy lifestyle or poor diet cannot be outsupplied. Your body cannot be made to balance every hormone with a single diet or pill. To begin with, you should concentrate on one. Find out which hormones require attention by having a conversation with your healthcare professional. A blood test is usually required for this, but other tests such as imaging, saliva, and urine tests may also be suggested in order to provide you a complete picture of your health and identify any underlying problems. Although they are more accessible, at-home hormone testing kits that need a finger prick or saliva sample are less precise. After deciding on a goal for your hormone health with your healthcare professional, you can develop some routines to get there. Obtain enough rest. The body carries out vital tasks linked to hormone production and regulation when you sleep. For example, sleep aids in the regulation of cortisol, also referred to as the stress hormone, which impacts immunological response and metabolism, among other body functions. Another hormone that is highly influenced by sleep is growth hormone. This hormone is essential for metabolism and cell repair. A healthy sleep cycle is crucial since growth hormone secretion seems to peak during the deep stages of sleep. Control your anxiety. Stress can have a significant effect on hormone balance. Methods like mindfulness, meditation, and consistent exercise can help lower stress hormone levels, especially cortisol. An individual's health and overall well-being can be significantly impacted by a prolonged increase in cortisol levels. A weakened immune system, weight gain, elevated anxiety and sadness, and irregular sleep patterns are a few side effects. It may also impair the body's capacity to control blood pressure, blood sugar, and bone metabolism, which may lead to the onset of chronic illnesses like osteoporosis, hypertension, and type 2 diabetes. More high-quality research is required to confirm the association between elevated cortisol and a range of reproductive health issues, including disruptions in the natural balance of estrogen. Other hormones, including mood-related neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, can also be produced and balanced with the help of stress management. These hormones provide a more stable hormonal environment by elevating emotions of happiness and well-being. Dopamine affects mood, motivation, and reward, while serotonin is essential for controlling sleep and digestion. Minimize your exposure to chemicals that disrupt hormones. The term endocrine-disrupting chemicals, EDCs, refers to substances that can interfere with hormone function and are found in food, consumer products, and the environment. They can either adhere to a cell's receptor and prevent the body's natural hormone from binding, or they can mimic hormones that are found naturally in the body. In the latter case, the hormone is unable to carry out its planned function. The hormones thyroid and estrogen are among those that EDC might adversely influence. One step that may lessen exposure to EDCs is to serve or store food in glass and stainless steel containers. Also helpful is reducing the amount of food that has pesticide residue in it. Is a blood test for PFAS necessary? It's worth talking with your doctor, according to the CDC. Consume cruciferous veggies. Consuming foods high in cruciferous vegetables, such as kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, watercress, and cauliflower, can help control estrogen levels, particularly in those who are estrogen dominant. This is because these vegetables contain indole-3-carbinol, a substance that aids in converting estrogen to less potent forms, as very well reported. They are rich in antioxidants, aid in the proper metabolism of estrogen, and include fiber, which aids in the final stage of estrogen metabolism, leaving the body in feces. Eat good fats. The structural integrity and functionality of cell membranes, including those of hormone-producing cells, are maintained by fats, especially those high in omega-3 fatty acids. Typically, this kind of fat is present in walnuts, flax seeds, and seafood. The production of several hormones, including progesterone, estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol, depends on omega-3 fatty acids. They also contribute to the production of eicosanoids, which are hormones that control inflammation and immunological response. Engage in regular exercise. Exercise causes the body to produce endorphins, which are sometimes referred to as the body's natural painkillers since they lessen pain perception and increase enjoyment. Regular exercise also aids in the regulation of cortisol, the stress hormone, limiting long-term rise that may have negative consequences on health. In addition, exercise can improve insulin sensitivity in individuals who have insulin resistance, which facilitates the body's ability to properly control blood sugar levels. Running and swimming are examples of cardiovascular exercises that can lower insulin levels and increase insulin sensitivity. Hormones that maintain muscle, such as growth hormone and testosterone, may be elevated by strength training with either body weight or resistance equipment. Moreover, yoga and Pilates may lower cortisol levels, fostering calm and stress reduction. Always pay attention to your body's needs and modify the length and intensity of your workouts to prevent overexertion, which can upset the balance of your hormones. And that's a wrap for today's video on balancing hormones naturally. We've covered a lot of ground, from nutrition tips to stress management techniques, all aimed at helping you achieve hormonal harmony. Remember, hormone balance is a journey, and it's all about finding what works best for you and your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. And hey, if you have any questions or want to share your own tips for balancing hormones naturally, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey to optimal health. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay balanced and stay healthy.